Hi PMFam, let's register for PMS 2025. So you go to our website, PMI CWCC, click on events. As you can see, it should take you to the banner page, and then click on the banner for the Credit Scaler Conference. It should take you to the landing page. You want to scroll all the way down. You see where the arrow is that says login for PMI members. You want to click on that. It should take you to this page straight up, and then you want to follow the prompt. If you've never logged in on the website before, you would have to reset your password. The PMI.org login details will not work on this website. You want to click on lost your password. It will take you to another page where you have to follow the prompt, but I did not do that. I already have my details. I clicked on login and it brought me down to this page. Now I'm putting in all of my details, my name, email address, PMI ID, log them out because we can show sensitive data. And then I want to put in my job title. As you can see here, put it in my company name. I will be following up the prompt, selecting the best option for me. And you want to read this clearly and ensure that you select the best option that suits you. Especially for the dietary restrictions, you want to ensure that you fill the right one so we can plan accordingly. So you're going to take the yes on that, I consent, I agree, and then I'm going to move to the right corner here to check out now. My internet is a little bit slow, but it should take me to the billing page. Let's see. Yes, and then now we're on the billing page. Sorry, I had to blow this out because of my details, my address, and all those things are here. But this is what the billing page will look like. You want to confirm that all of the details are correct. And once it's correct, you want to go to the right side here. Put in your card details. Once that's done, click on place your order, and that's it. See you at the PMS 2025. If you have any problem, reach out to us on our website page or our social media. All right then, see you soon.